here to talk to y'all about my everyday carry bag. Got tired of, in Ohio we have open and concealed carry, and even the way I was concealing, you could still see my pistol. So, figured if I bought a bag like this, it wouldn't be as noticeable. So, on this pouch, I have my everyday carry, Phoenix HP 22. That's my everyday carry. Nice little pistol to have too. I'll actually show you a real nice feature here in 1 second. It has a full removable short barrel and a long barrel. One of them is 3.5 inches, the other one's 5 inches. Got a pair of cut-off gloves in there. And that's it for that pocket. This pocket, I just have some regular got the thermal heat blanket, alcohol pads, band-aids, poncho, hand warmers. This should probably be in the middle, should have protected. And then this one I usually carry my phone in. And then of course in this one I have a mini emergency light, zoomable, got that in there, and you have CCI 22s in every bag I carry. Not sponsored by CCI. Wouldn't mind be. You guys could send me some freebies. I'd love to have some freebies and some good CCIs. But yeah, that's basically what's in there. Goes around the waist, fits real nice. Carry it on my side. Got it on Amazon. It's like 20 bucks. But back to this real quick. Just down here for a second. If you just go like that, got your long one on there. Pull it back, lock it. Little tab right here. Push forward, lift up. There you go. Phoenix Arms HP 22 10+1. Does have a slide safety right there. And it's got your standard safety right there. It did have a magazine safety, so if the magazine wasn't in it, you couldn't do nothing with it. Plenty of tutorials on YouTube if you guys ever get one of these, tell you how to take care of that. But other than that, yeah, that's what's in my bag. That's what I carry on me every day. It's a swift one. Saying have a humble day.